Oh hey, welcome to the world-renowned SSDS Mishloach Manot factory. Here we have the 8th graders working diligently to prepare these state-of-the-art baskets. We receive orders from all over the SSDS community, including teachers, alumni, parents, and they all are delighted when they receive these baskets. This year we are going to plant mini cameras inside the baskets, just to show you how delighted they are when they receive them.
Oh my goodness, thank you. What is this? Oh, I love this. Thank you so much. This is great. You guys are the best.
Cameron, we have a new order, an executive order. Oh no. This was a big one. We had no idea what we were in for.
Oh, sorry. No Girl Scout cookies today. Goodbye.
Wait, Mr. President. We have the Mishloach Manot basket you ordered.
Mishloach Manot?
No. Mishloach Manot basket that you ordered. The one you'd really be delighted if you took a chance to open it. Mr. President, if you were just...
Give me my accountant. I need to speak with her.
Yes, sir.
Mr. President, if you were to just take a second and look inside.
Ugh, fine. Wow, candies, toys, wine, everything's in here. Is this for me?
Yes, of course, Mr. President.
How do you get more?
Oh, well, you just gotta look closer.
What's this?
So you want to learn how to get one of these Mishloach Manot gift baskets, huh? Well, you've come to the right place. Join our community in celebrating Purim, and in supporting our school. Our online system, PURIM Project, is now open for your Mishloach Manot orders. Every family in our school will receive a basket. Included in the basket is a note listing all the families that sent them Mishloach Manot.
For all SSDS parents, we sent you your unique login information. Once logged in, using your unique username and password, you will find detailed and easy ordering instructions.
You may also purchase baskets to give to family and friends outside of SSDS for $36 per basket. If you do not go to Solomon Schechter and you wish to order a basket, please feel free to call or email anyone at the school or anyone at the office. These beautiful baskets will be available for pickup at SSDS starting Monday, February 26, 2018.
This year, PURIM starts on Wednesday, February 28th, and ends Thursday evening, March 1st. We can't wait to see you at our school's PURIM Carnival on Friday, March 2nd this year, and most of all, we hope you have a very joyous and festive PURIM. Chag PURIM
Need chest hours? We are always looking for volunteers to help pack and deliver the Purim baskets. To volunteer and/or if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact Marcy Abrahamson or Meredith Bazerman. Toda al Chatzvi. Thanks for watching.
I'm gonna need 153 million of these.
חג פורים, חג פורים, חג גדול ליהודים, מסכות, רשנים, זמירות וריקודים. הבה נרישה רש רש רש, הבה נרישה רש רש רש, הבה נרישה רש רש רש, ברשנים. הבה נרישה רש רש רש, הבה נרישה רש רש רש, הבה נרישה רש רש רש, ברשנים. Purim's here, it's a holiday so dear. Mask and song, bring along, groggers loud and clear.